The U.S. Air Force and BI Systems are accelerating efforts to sustain, test and help modernize weapons carrying, sustainment and delivery across its fleet of bomber platforms. The system, called a Bomber Armament Tester, is intended for the B-1B, B-2 and B-52H bombers. The intent of BAT is to assess operational readiness of bomb ejector racks, rotary launchers and pylon assemblies, by statements indicated. The BAT system provides critical verification that the aircraft's weapon systems are operating as specified, said Kevin Malone, Vice President of Analytics Systems at BI Systems, said in a written statement. Our team, which includes Marvin Test Solutions and the Air Force Air Logistics Complexes, has extensive experience developing flight line qualified armament testers and test program sense. Right double quotation mark. While primarily oriented toward testing, readiness and sustainment, the BAT effort is simultaneously interwoven with ongoing Air Force weapons modernization initiatives for all of its bombers. The concept is to both position the platforms for current or near-term attack missions and advance efforts to architect the fleet such that it can modernize its weapons arsenal and adjust as new technologies emerge. For BAT current missions and expected challenges moving forward, BAT is, without question, expected to function as an integral component to testing and integration of both new and upgraded bomber fleet weapons. Throughout a series of reports and interviews, senior Air Force officials and service weapons developers have discussed a wide range of near and long-term weapons modernization initiatives with Warrior Maven. In coming years, the B-2 will be armed with next-generation digital nuclear weapons such as the B-61 Mod 12 with a tailkit and a long-range standoff weapon or LRSO, an air-launched, guided nuclear cruise missile, Air Force weapons developers have said in numerous previous interviews with Warrior Maven. The B-61 Mod 12 is an ongoing modernization program which seeks to integrate the B-61 Mods 3, 4, 7 and 10 into a single variant with a guided tail kit. The B-61 Mod 12 is being engineered to rely on an inertial measurement unit for navigation, service officials told Warrior Maven. In addition to the LRSO, B-83 and B-61 Mod 12, The B-2 will also carry the B-61 Mod 11, a nuclear weapon designed with penetration capabilities, Air Force officials said. The LRSO will replace the Air-Launched Cruise Missile, or ALCM, which right now is only carried by the B-52 bomber, officials said. Alongside its nuclear arsenal, the B-2 will carry a wide range of conventional weapons to include precision-guided 2,000-pound Joint Direct Attack Munitions, or JDAMs, 5,000-pound JDAMs, Joint Standoff Weapons, Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missiles and GBU-28 5,000-pound Bunker Buster Weapons, among others, according to officials who have talked to Warrior Maven. The platform is also preparing to integrate a long-range conventional air-to-ground standoff weapon called the JASSMER, for Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, extended range, they said. The B-2 can also carry a 30,000-pound conventional bomb known as the Massive Ordnance Penetrator, a B-2 pilot told Warrior Maven in an interview several years ago. In recent years, the historic B-52 bomber has been able to carry JDAM weapons externally, but through a currently ongoing internal weapons bay upgrade, the aircraft will be able to internally house some of the most cutting-edge precision-guided Joint Direct Attack Munitions and Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missiles, among others, service platform developers told Warrior Maven. The 1,760 Internal Weapons Bay Upgrade, or IWU, will allow the B-52 to internally carry up to 8 of the newest J-series bombs in addition to carrying 6 on pylons under each wing. Pilots and B-52 modernization experts have said that having an increased internal weapons bay capability affords an opportunity to increase fuel efficiency by removing bombs from beneath the wings and reducing drag. The first increment of IWU integrates an internal weapons bay ability to fire a laser-guided JDAM, officials said. Developers have added that a second increment, to finish by 2022, will integrate more modern or cutting-edge weapons such as the Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, or JASSM Extended Range, ER, and a technology called Miniature Air-Launched Decoy, or MALD, a MALD-J jammer variant, which will also be integrated into the B-52, can be used to jam enemy radar technologies as well.